Quick updates for Moonriver, MOVR USDT trading pair with my customer set. First of all, guys, you should know that Binance will support the Moonriver network upgrade tomorrow. I'll recommend you go to Binance, read the full announcement. At least you should know, so the deposits and withdrawals of the tokens will be suspended. And I'll recommend you read about these upgrades, but of course the upgrades won't help the price. So a lot of upgrades been here last 4 years or the 5 years, and we work with the price action. Anyway, just note, so you have to go and double check the announcement. The good moment with this announcement is Binance will not delist, I guess, the Moonriver, like they add now the flow on the monitoring tag, so probably the flow will be delisted. I hope, of course, not, because I'm in flow, but it's good because I thought after the OKEX delisted the Moonriver and the Glimmer, I thought that all other exchanges will follow, but they not. So it's good. It's good. So at least we can. I don't think so. We're gonna talk about these targets anymore. 115 or $171 for the token. It's possible, yes, of course. From the low, it could be like 5,000 or a 7,000% gain. So I don't think so. We will see these targets even from the low of October. It's 7,000% gains, 300. So I don't think so. So let's be real, guys. Let's be real. I don't know based on what the Moonriver should pump 7,000% gains. Most conservative price targets, it's going to be like 2,000% gains if we sweep the high of December 23. Maybe this high like 95, because a lot of people will talk about $100. I don't think so. Also, we will hit the 95. Now, of course, at that time when we traded at $5, of course, it was not that unrealistic, right? Like 2,000% gains, 2,100, it was more than real. But we dumped it to $2.29 on Gate. On a Binance, I guess maybe the price was lower. So locally, let's focus on the local one. Targets, EMA, monthly. First of all, the bullish targets, guys, we can and we will. Sooner or later, we'll test the 20 EMA. So monthly, it's 913. If everything will be okay with the Moonriver, the Binance will not delist. The liquidity will be for trades in this token. So $10 is like and the listing on a Binance, it will be like a magnet. First trouble area. So it can be like, so impulse, correction, impulse will be correction. And after that, we should maybe drop to $5 again and build a recover move and switch the structure. The next target's at 34. So yes, 35, $40, it sounds more than realistic one. It's on a monthly. Weekly, also 200 EMA, it's around 34. So we can confirm 200 EMA and 50 EMA on a monthly and 200 on a weekly. It's like a magnet for the Moonriver. Now we will walk from level to level. It's going to be the test on this one. EMA 379, 582 test of the listing price, and 100 EMA 1263. And after that, the row will be open to 200 EMA, where till that time will be the 200 EMA. It's hard to say. Maybe it's going to be the May 2026, for example, $25. Maybe sweep of this high, possible. Weekly with trade on. Here was a sell, buyback. Now nothing. So the last buyback was in June 25. Now nothing. Kind of weird. Monthly, no data. Daily sell signal was here in June. Take profit. Buy, bounce. So I wish to see the continuation higher. So for me personally, it don't make sense to drop the price again lower. By the way, we formed the actual lows. No, we even sweep this low. So one more confirmation. So we leave the liquidity pool, we sweep it. So October 10, we leave the liquidity pool. Here's December 18, we sweep that pool, liquidate the guys who trade with the 100x leverages or so. And now I don't see any reason why we should drop and come back again to $2.30. It's possible, yes. Under is just open space. There's just nothing. Price discovery zone. So I hope from now we start climbing up to the top. Kind of interesting moment. Maybe it's just a low liquidity on the gate, but kind of interesting weeks, you know, like crazy seller pressure. All right, so trade on, we can hide. ADZ direction. It's a little bit over than neutral zone, a little bit over than middle line, so it's not a bearish, not a bullish. Weekly time frame, we're so underrated. So underrated, so this is accumulation since the beginning of December. So whole December, the whales accumulated. Here's the accumulation, and even with the awareness on ADZ, it's bullish. It's bullish, definitely bullish. So ADZ direction, more bullish than bearish. Market mood. Capitulation since September 75. Capitulation on a monthly since August 75. It's bullish. It's really, really bullish targets. Daily, even the daily, only now it's a positive, some positive. It's not even close to the trill or apheria. Money power. Daily swing trades, if you bought it here at the bottom of the sweep of that low December, you could fix some profit. Maybe this is 21%. So it's some, I guess it's some guys withdraw, not withdraw initial deposit. It's money outflow against the leverage positions. So this is it. Weekly money in was here at 346, 320. So I guess at least we will recover back to $10. So monthly here, December was money in to lowest point was 228. Last time when we saw the money in, it was the June, August, September, 1, 2, 3 months in a row accumulation and the pump. That time we pumped it from that money inflow in average from 5 to 43. That's why now we can pump from 3, for example, to 35. So it's more than real. If everything will be okay with the Moonriver. Money power, I showed it. Trade on, I showed it. Take profit. Monthly null data, weekly. We underrated. So this is definitely so underrated token. Test of fundamental value, it's $4.03. Take profit line, $10.84. So for me personally, everything looks like we should go straight forward to $11, to $10, $11 to test the listing price, to test the EMA, 100 EMA on the weekly, and test take profit on trade on indicator. Take profit indicator. So guys, if you would like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, use right medium. Don't forget, Joe Mategam Show. See you next time, guys.